you. I just wanted to say that in the past 6 months, the Seagull to me has been a second home. It's become a family to me. Everyone here means the world to me, and I don't think I could get through a week without being here and seeing the people that are here. It's hard work, it's tiring, it's draining, but it's all worth it in the end. Being a part of it is amazing. To me, the Seagull means success. It means family, it means community, and without it, I don't think Lowestoft would be the same place. John has been amazing as a manager, and everyone who works here is just fantastic. Without everybody's input, this place wouldn't still be open, and I think it means a hell of a lot to everybody who's here, and I think everyone who's put effort into making it become alive knows that, and as soon as you walk in the doors you can feel the soul, you can feel the emotion that's here. And it's so welcoming that even if you've never been here before, you can walk in and you feel that, and you're part of the family straight away. And I think that that's the amazing thing about this place. So if anyone's got any doubts about getting involved, don't have, because it's just amazing and it makes you feel alive. So for me personally, I just want to say thank you to everybody who has made this place what it is.
What does the Seagull mean to me? The Seagull means to me, the ethos is more important to the Seagull to me than the building, although much as I like the building. As John said in his speech, I think the community of people that are here together with this one aim to make theatre and make a community work, and as a society all wanting the same objectives and the same goals. That's what it's all about, and that's what the fun and joy is. And everybody that I've met here have been extremely generous and kind and supportive of everybody else. It's that kind of idea that everybody else is more important than you are, so therefore you consider everybody else in what you're doing. That's what it's all about. Have a theatre.
Well, what does the Seagull mean to me? Well, it's everything, I must say. It has given me a reason to exist. It's given me a reason to get up in the morning and deal with all the joy and strife that comes with it. And yeah, it's been brilliant being here, and I love every second. Thank you.
Hello. The place has given me a lot of opportunity to develop my skills. Like, I work backstage, as does Emily, and it's just really.
But it's great for the community, and we've got to keep it here.
It really is, yeah.
It's a brilliant place. Seeing different venues around the country and East Anglia, we really have somewhere really, really special here, and we need to keep it.
Yeah.
It's an amazing place.
It's great.
It is.
And you could be a big company, or you can just be a one-man show, and you're always going to be welcome here.
Yeah.
It's that what we love. Thank you and good night.